Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Ordi. All right. Wanted to make a video on this personally because I think this has potential. I know not a lot of people watch these videos, but hopefully it's still to those who are watching. Hopefully it's valuable. But no, like I said, I mean I like Ordi. Yesterday in the early afternoon, we actually got some strong momentum. And just across the board, what you can see is that, Bitcoin ordinals right now are not that strong. But if you look at it yesterday here you can see they were actually popping off. But it was quite early, but they were popping off. And I think they can rally up higher. All right, first and foremost, because I'm still relatively bullish on the short term for Bitcoin. It's a bit difficult right now. It's a bit volatile. The volume is very low, so we could go up and down, and it's there's no guarantees on the short term, but ultimately I think going up higher is still the most likely scenario, which is obviously for a coin like Ordi, which is related to Bitcoin, bullish. But apart from that, I also know that quite a lot of smart money is going into this, is going to Ordi right here. And I like the technicals. All right, so let's talk about the technicals. If you looked at a day like yesterday, what you saw is that over and this has been going on for a longer period of time, but what you see is that there is some sort of a divergence here, right? So you can already see a divergence here where the open interest is going up more than the price was. This is just a clear divergence. And then you can also see, I mean, the open interest going up is a bit strange. So it's very much bigger moves. It's very much probably manipulated to a certain extent. But in general, I would say this is more bullish than bearish, all right? Because if you look at this, that every time that the open interest moves up like this, the open interest is relatively strong as well. So the same goes for yesterday when we also gained that momentum twice actually, but before that as well on 3 days ago. When was that? I don't know, Thursday. We also gained some momentum, and the CVD right here was stalling. So that means that there's a lot of longs coming in. So there's a lot of longs being opened in this little region, and you can see that with the open interest. But then if you look at the price, where this I would say is quite bullish, right? Higher highs, higher lows. This is still very much a consolidation which has just broken out. So purely if you look at that, it seems like there's a lot of momentum kind of build up within this range, and that now that we are breaking out, we can actually rally a little. Because if you purely technically look at Ordi right here, what you'll see is that first of all we lost the downtrend right here, among with a lot of other cryptos, lost it right here. We were still consolidating because you can see the EMAs right here are flat, right? So when the EMAs are flat, that means that the average price is also relatively flat. So then you're not bullish. But then the main resistance level, which you can also see on the chart right here, which we were struggling with since the 18th of March, so for the last 2 weeks, that level broke yesterday with the momentum. So that bullish breakout, together with my expectation of a bullish Bitcoin, together with the fact that we gained quite a lot of momentum, or quite a lot of open interest at least, in that consolidation, leads me to believe that we will go up higher. All right, so that will do some. Look, right now we just have to confirm it. The markets are opening. Bitcoin is going to open quite volatile. As long as Bitcoin stays relatively bullish, so let's say on top of 69,500, I think it's most likely that Ordi will continue up to this level right here at 80 and 84. That's what I expect. That's what I think is most likely. So like I said, the only thing that could really change anything like that is if Bitcoin turns very bullish or very bearish today, which is a possibility. But again, Bitcoin doesn't look like that's most likely. So I'll keep you updated on this for sure. I will probably buy this very soon, at least. But in general, that's what I think you need to know. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.